ready to learn and play!
Teachers help us to learn A, B, C, shapes and colors and 1, 2, 3. Doctors help us when we're sick. Medicines will do the trick. Soldiers fight on borders so far. Farmers grow wheat, rice and jowar. Police keep things safe for you. What job do you want to do?